let's see Article 3. Article 3 is also a new article in UCP 600, and it is the interpretations. There are some terms and terminologies which are not clear to all over, and therefore the ICC experts has made it clear by this publication, these terms and terminologies clear. Singular, plural. How singular plural will be treated? You see, here singular and plural will be similar as a term. That is, if someone has written plural for the word was written originally in singular, there will be no problem. That is, singular and plural is not a discrepancy. Singular is accepted for plural, plural is accepted for singular. Okay. Signature. How signature will be treated? You see, signature. Signature may have many ways. Signature may be handwritten, facsimile, in original document issuer, original pad, original perforated sign, stamped, etc., etc. So there might be many forms of signature. Whichever is acceptable to the authority is a signature, because it is not the responsibility of bank to verify the signature. So signature may have in many ways. It is the course part who will decide whether the signature is okay or not. So signature is a handwritten signature, facsimile signature, signature on the issuer's original pad, stamp, and facsimile, etc., etc. Certification. You see, what is certificate? Certification means, you see, here this is Hashem Foods invoice, an invoice, and this was, you see, without certification. Here Hashem Food has issued a something else, pro forma invoice. So you need some certification. How shall the certification will be given? You look, somebody certified. We are certifying that this above mentioned statement is correct and signature is that. Are you seeing this? Okay. So this is the certification. This is called certification. Certification signature is just like the signature mentioned here earlier. Thereafter, first class, well-known, bona fide, independent, confident. If these terms are used in letter of credit and in some documents also, it will be treated as all the parties other than the beneficiary. That is first class, well-known, bona fide, independent, confident. If these words are used in some documents, it will never mean the beneficiary. Except beneficiary, all other party may be treated as first class, well-known, bona fide, independent, confident, etc. Yeah. Then, you see, this is the calendar. Beginning, middle, and end of a month. Beginning, middle, and end. You see, this is the calendar of month of December. So, beginning means, who can supplement me? What does beginning mean? Nuren?
Sir, beginning is from 1 to 14. Middle is
1 to 1 to.
Yeah.
Beginning
This is
is 1 to 10.
Yeah. Then middle. Yeah, let's see. 1 to 10 is the beginning. 1 to 10 is the beginning. 11
12 to 20.
11 to 19
20.
is 20 is middle.
Middle, and 21 to 30 is end.
The end. Thank you so much for your supplement. This is the month. And first half and second half is like that. First, what
1 to 15, 1 to 15, first half, 16 to 30.
16 to the last end of the month, or 16 to the next part of the month is the first half. You see first half and the second or last half. That is, yes, second half of the month. From and after. to calculate a maturity date. When from and after is used to calculate a maturity date, it always excludes the date. That is, if it is calculated that 1st January, you see, some calculation is from 5th January, okay? From 5th January or after 5th January, the date will be excluded. Okay, the date will be excluded. But when you see, but to till until between includes the date. When shipment will be made, then it includes the date or date mentioned. Includes the date. To till until, when it is mentioned for the shipment date, it will include the date, and from and after when used for maturity date will exclude the date or dates mentioned.